I know exactly what you're thinking. You just can't wait to be there. Where the sun paints everything gold and the water talks to you and gives you hints on how the day is going to be. You just feel so lucky to be in such a breathtaking scenery. You spend your day looking for signs, looking for birds. The thump, the hook set. Yeah. The thrill of seeing the redfish tail. Netting your catch. Yes, it's not always easy. But you love the challenge. The memories. Because you know, at the end, the reward is the ultimate pump of your heart that makes you come back for more.